wake up in the morning and you realize you're running late. You quick, jump in the shower and get ready. After doing your hair, makeup, shaving, or whatever, a voice pops in your head from your childhood saying, "You better not skip breakfast, it's the most important meal of the day." So, to satisfy that inner voice, you grab a cup of coffee, slather some peanut butter or cream cheese on a bagel, and you run off to work. Since you didn't have time to prepare breakfast, means no time to pack a lunch either. So maybe you go down to the vending machine for a candy bar or a bag of chips, or maybe you decide to be healthy and run next door for a fruit smoothie. Next, you get out of work a little late, so you rush to pick up the kids to run in the soccer practice. After practice, you realize dinner wasn't planned, so you go through the drive-thru and pick up a bucket of chicken with a couple of sides. Does this sound familiar? You might be thinking, I counted my calories and I was below my limit. What's the problem? Your calorie count might or might not be adequate, but the scales aren't moving, or you're still hungry and you end up snacking. You're not losing weight, you're probably gaining weight, and you're not feeling as good as you used to. The big problem was your day was filled with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates that are converted into glucose, also known as sugar. Over the course of history, we have transformed ourselves into sugar burners over fat burners that we were originally designed. It's not your fault. We all have busy lives and carbohydrates taste really good. We try to listen to the experts and do the right thing, but sometimes the choices we make could be doing more harm than good. By the time you finish this course, you will have the knowledge necessary to be successful at losing weight and keeping it off, and you'll be well on your way to a more healthy and more energetic person.